Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. This is Harika. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how we can actually take the screenshot of a certain locator or a certain page using Robocop. In this video, I'll show you what are the different parameters that it actually accepts and what library we should use, and also different things around this taking screenshot keyword. Okay, so I'm going to first actually define the keyword, which is take screenshot of results. So we all know, in order to get this executed, you should add it in the task section also. So add it under task, take screenshot of results. That's where it the control will shift to the keywords. And here I'm going to write the logic, which is screenshot. So if you see here, the screenshot is from rpa.browser.selenium library. Okay, so just select this, and once after you whenever you take some keyword, try to understand it. So just hover over that particular keyword and you can say screenshot. First you have to provide the locator, and after locator you can just give the file name. Okay, so if you see the locator is defined, take element screenshot. If not, takes page screenshot. Okay, so if you don't provide the locator, it will take the whole page screenshot, and it will take the file name for the screenshot. By default, it will take the timestamp or the element. Okay, dot png. If set to none, then file is not saved at all. Okay, this is how you can actually give. These are the different syntaxes that we have here. So firstly, what I'm going to do, let's not give the locator here, and let's see what it will actually do. Let's check. Okay, um let's just save this and run the workflow. As per what is mentioned there, it has to take the screenshot of the whole page. Let's run this particular workflow. So for that, I'm doing Control Shift P and I'm running the robot. So the execution has started. We can see that the bot is running. Okay, so while the bot runs, let's try to discuss some of the other concepts. So if you are watching my channel for the first time, there are so many videos on Robocop till now. This is the series on level 1 certification. So if you wanted to learn something right from the beginning, just watch the previous videos as well, because the concepts are very much important in order to get the advanced knowledge on any of the programming language. So try to watch the previous videos. You can watch videos on logging into application, downloading the Excel file, and filling into the form with respect to the dynamic selectors and many more things around it. So try to check out all the videos and you have everything right from the installation. So yeah, you can just learn so many things about it. So we can see here the screenshot has come in, and if you see, this is the whole page screenshot, right? Perfect. And now what I'm going to do is, and also here it has given the screenshot and timestamp in .png format. So now what I'm going to do, I will just take the screenshot of this particular element that I need. Okay, so for that, what we have to do, we have to inspect this element. So to scroll and inspect. Right, so we have class role, we don't have id or we don't have text. So what I'm going to do, I prefer XPath, so I'm going to write a XPath for this, where I'm going to pick the div tag. If you don't know the XPath, what you can do, you can just do right click and copy XPath. You can just take that as well, and if you give here, you'll get the XPath. This is the XPath. Okay, but this is not the right way, because here they have used index. So if there is index, then try to avoid it, try to write by your own. So let me write by myself here. @class is equal to, so what is that element that I have here? It is this one, right? So it should show one of one. That means it's a unique selector. So I'm just taking this whole selector and I'm giving here the locator. It's an XPath, right? XPath, and that is a selector. So what I want the name of the file, I want it as sales results.png. So this is the name of the file that I wanted to provide for the screenshot that gets saved into. Um, so just cross check that we have everything in place along with the task. And once after that's done, we can just execute the workflow. Yes, perfect. Just run the workflow. Okay. So what you can do, as it takes a little while, like maybe 20 seconds or something, you can just fast forward this and you can just wait for the result section to see the screenshot of it, and also make sure that I have saved the results in the sales results.png file. So that is where it will be coming into. I haven't run the file actually. Okay, let me continue this. And yeah, I'm actually thinking to release the videos, like shorts videos or something like that, to give some quiz questions on the topics that we actually discuss in these videos, because that way you can assess your knowledge. So I'm planning something on that kind. So if you have any other suggestions also, please do let me know in the comments, so that will be helpful for everyone. Me cross check what is happening here. So yeah, the execution is almost done. We are nearby and it is trying to extract the results and store it into the file. So we can see that it is passed, and let's check the PNG file that gets out. Yes. Perfect, right? So this is how you can actually take the screenshot. We got to know two things here. How to actually, let me just give you some important and brief points, okay? What you have to understand and keep it in your mind when you're going to take a screenshot, okay? First thing is, when you want to take the screenshot, you have to select the keyword screenshot that comes from the library rpa.browser.selenium. And the second thing is, if you wanted to use it, you have to provide two parameters. One is locator and other one is the path. And the third thing is, if you don't provide the locator, it's gonna take the screenshot of the whole page. And if you don't provide the screenshot name, path name, where it has to save into, it will take the timestamp .png as the file name. But if you provide, that will be specific to that name. And if you provide this file name as none, that's also mentioned in the attributes, right? If you provide it as none, then it's not going to save the screenshot, right? So what I'm going to do here is, let's take something else instead of running the whole workflow. What I'm going to do, let's take the screenshot of this particular page, this one. Okay. This is the one, header. It's a H1. So let's take this as the screenshot. Okay. Or this one, this complete thing. Okay. So how you can just give H1, it's one of one, so you just this much is fine. Just copy and then go into your code, Visual Studio Code, and here what you can do, just replace this selector with, okay, I don't want to replace this. What I can do, I will just tell, create a new task. Okay, take screenshot test. Okay, and screenshot, just give this, and now let's check. Okay, test dot png, it should give the selector, I mean like the image. Just copy this thing, and after logging in only you can get it done, right? So just comment all this. So this task won't be executed. Okay, just run it. So why I'm giving that as a test.png is later I wanted to check that it should not come. It should be not, it should not be get saved. Okay. So the execution has finished and we got test.png. Correct. Perfect. And now what I'm going to do, I will delete this thing. Yes, moving to recycle bin, and here I will give it as none as per the definition, function definition. Here it says if set to none, then the file is not saved at all, right? So let's go and check every possibility none. Okay. Okay, let's do this. Let's run it again. So it is getting executed and it is getting logging into the file. Yeah, passed. And PNG. I can't see any of the file here, right? So this is perfect. So we have seen everything about the screenshot, everything about the parameters that it will pass into and how you can actually use it. So that is pretty much about this screenshot with respect to Robocop. And if you have any questions, do let me know in the comments. And also, as I said you, that I will release a video about quiz questions on this. So if you could answer those questions, then definitely you are 100% good with this particular keyword. So thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.